Sir, in the last videos, we covered very clearly up to, sir, LBP number 172. Now, in today's session, let me start LBP number 173. So, what is this program here is Sweet 17. What is the title of the program? Sweet 17. So, given a maximum four digit to the base 17, they have given a maximum four digit to the base 17. The bases are here they have given. Generally, we know the base 16, right? If you take base 16, the values will be from A to F, sir. But here they have given so base as a 17. That means we will have so 10 to 15 like 0 to F, but additionally we are having one more character which is nothing but G. So as input, and output is nothing but its decimal value. So we know very well how to convert binary value into decimal, and we know how to convert octal value into decimal. In the same way, we know how to convert hexadecimal value into, sir, decimal. What is the base of hexadecimal? 16. From base 16 to base 10 we are converting, but here they have given their own format, sir. So in this case, output is nothing but the same, we have to convert to decimal. But here the input is nothing but, so the base is 17. From base 17 to 10 we have to convert. That is the title of the program, which is nothing but Sweet 17. Given a maximum four digit value to the base 17, and we have to convert to its decimal value. So let me open some sample test cases. From that we will get some idea. Sir, you can see D. D means what output we are going to get? 13, sir. You can see here 13 is the output. Sir, I will take this ABC later. I will take example. So what is its decimal value, sir? 3089. We will calculate later. But if it is A, then we have to print 10. Suppose if it is ABC, we know that we have to retrieve from last to first. So what is the last digit that we have? C. C into, generally if it is a hexadecimal, we will take 16 power 0. But here it is 17 base, sir. So C into 17 power 0 plus B into, sir, 17 power 1. So plus C into 17 power 2. Like this we have to take. Sir, what is the value of C in the question itself? You can see 12. So 12 into 17 power 0 is 1. Plus B value is what, sir? 11. 11 into 17 power 1 is 17. Plus, sir, what is the value of C? Sir, 17 square. 1 minute. Let me calculate that value. So 17 into 17. The value is 289. Now 12 plus, sir, we need to calculate 11 into 17, which is nothing but 187. Plus we need to calculate 289 into, sir, 289 into 12, which is nothing but, sir, 3468. So plus 187 plus 12 will become, sir, something. Is it correct or wrong? Please cross check. 17 power 0, 17 square 289. Sir, 289 into 12 will become 3468. So 11 into 17 will become 187. So then it is nothing but 12. Oh, sorry, sir. Yeah, correct only, right? Yes. Now let me add these digits. 12 plus 187 plus, sir, 3468. We are getting 38862. Is it correct or wrong? Yeah. Sorry, sir. Here we have to take A. A value is what, sir? 10. Sorry, sir. So here we are going to get a 2890. Now you can multiply. Yeah, sorry, sir. So now you can see 2890 plus 187 plus 12, which will become 3089. Is it our required result or not? Yes. So this is nothing but just theoretical explanation what I am going to provide for you people. So based on this, we have to implement the program. Sir, please confirm, is it clear for you people? Sir, is the concept is clear for you people? Please confirm. Yes, requesting everyone to please respond. Clear up to this. Right, sir. So let me implement this program. Sir, in Java and Python, we have the facility, but in C language, compulsory we have to implement by using core concept. Sir, how I multiplied this one? Same terminology I am using in C language. Let us see how we can implement in C language. The first step is nothing but, sir, I am taking, so character string I am taking yes of 100. So what is the next one? We have some integer variables are required, like decimal value we have to calculate. Next, and after that, we need to take some I variable and some temporary variable is required, and also length. Okay, so first I am going to read the data in the form of string. Then I will find out length. How to find out length? strlen of s, which will return the number of characters present. Then suppose if the given string is abc, sir, in the reverse direction we have to take, right? So that's why I will retrieve from reverse direction, or else you can move in forward direction. But what is the length here? Length is nothing but how many characters are there? 3. So I'm going to decrement this length first time, so that your length 3 will become 2. Sir, observe carefully how we are going to multiply. C into 2 power 0. Sorry, C into power 0, B into power 1, sir, A into power 2. So I will start from here. I will start from here. A into square minus minus, so that it will become 1, minus minus, so that it will become 0. Like that I am taking. Okay. Now observe carefully. For each I is equal to 0, sir, s of I plus plus, sir, I will write some internal logic, but finally decimal value is equal to, sir, decimal value plus some temporary variable I am taking into, sir, power of 17 power length minus minus. Already length value we have to minus minus one time, and then again length minus minus. So that what will happen? Suppose if length is 3, first 3 minus minus 2, next it will take power 2, and then next time l minus minus, like that it is going to take. Okay, so this, like this we can take, otherwise better to take length, and then if you want you can subtract here. Sir, what is the value of t? Suppose if they are giving 1 AC, like this also possibility is there. 1 is what type of value? Decimal value. A is what type of value? Hexadecimal value. C is what type of value? Hexadecimal. Hexadecimal in the sense, in my point of view, sir, 17 based values. Okay. Pratik, you can see here, suppose if I have ABC, I explained logic very clearly. So A into what they are expecting? 17 power 0. Sorry, 17 power, here 17 power 0, 17 power 1, 17 power 2. So A into 17 power 2 plus B into 17 power 1, okay, plus C into 17 power 0. That is the requirement. So for that, decimal, forget about this formula. Power, try to observe. So 17, what is the initial length? Suppose if it is the given data, length is 3, length minus 1 means 2. Sir, 17 power length 2. Next time length minus minus, it will become 1. Next time length minus minus, it will become 0. Clear? Please confirm, sir. Sir, everyone, please confirm up to this. Is it clear, sir? Everyone, please confirm. Clear up to this? Right, sir. So how to calculate that T? That is very, very important. Sir, observe carefully. If the value of S of I, whatever they have given, if it is greater than 0, and if the value of S of I is less than or equal to 9, that means if it is a numerical value, then I am taking T is equal to S of I minus 48, because the ASCII value of 0 is nothing but 48, sir. That's why I am subtracting with 48. The ASCII value of 0 is nothing but 48. Suppose if you are getting 0, 0 minus 48 means 0 ASCII value is 48. 48 minus 48 means original 0 we are going to get. Suppose if they have given 1, 1 ASCII value is 49. 49 minus 48 will return 1. That is the main intention here. Sir, okay. Suppose else if the given data is in the form of capital A and in between capital G, like this if you are getting, then T is equal to S of I. Sir, capital A ASCII value is what, sir? 65, right? Sir, minus 65 I am taking. Suppose if S of I is capital A ASCII value is 65. Okay, sir, 65 minus 65 will become 0. Capital A means what is its ASCII value, sir? You can see here 10. So capital B means what? Suppose if they are giving capital B, its ASCII value is 66. 66 minus 65 will become 1. For that 1, if you add 10, we will get 11. Okay, that's why, sir, S of I minus 65 plus 10, which will give its numerical value. Suppose consider they have given C. Okay, sir, C ASCII value is nothing but 65, 66, 67, sir. 67 minus 65 will return 2. Sir, 2 plus 10 will return 12. Like that it is going to work. Sir, same case, we have to check for small letters. If S of I is greater than or equal to small a, and if your S of I is less than or equal to small z, then same T is equal to S of I minus 97 plus 10, because the ASCII value for lowercase letters is going to be changed or not? Yes, sir, that's all. After that, we are going to print percentage D comma decimal value. Automatically it will print corresponding decimal, sir. Okay, nothing more than that, sir. In Java and Python it is dead easy, but in C language we don't have these type of things. That's why uninitialized function. So let us consider initial value of T is equal to 0, sir. Maybe warnings if you are getting, you can ignore. Maybe uninitialized, sir. DEC also I didn't initialize it. Sometimes it may take garbage values and we will get some different outputs. So this is the way how we can implement in, sir, one test case problem. Why? Okay, sir, I will cross check. We will I think there is a problem in the test case, or we have to cross check. First let me implement in Java, sir, so that we will get clarity whether really that mistake is there or not. Okay, so let me implement in Java programming. I want to implement this program in Java. Sir, in Java it is very easy, sir. Observe carefully. Scanner obj is equal to, I am taking new scanner of system.in. I am taking, then I am reading the input in the form of string only. Sir, there is one function is there which will convert the given string into, sir, if you want you can convert it into decimal. If you want you can convert it into octal. If you want you can convert it into binary. Such a type of beautiful method is there. What is that method? Is nothing but integer dot value of the given string. Yes, so what is the base that you required is nothing but 17. So I am trying to convert the given string to the base 17 and I am printing the result. Yes, all the test cases are success. Yeah, here all test cases are passed. That means there may be a chance of getting program error only in C language. Sir, please have a look once any mistake here. Any mistake in the program? Decimal. Sir, I accepted the string length minus minus I is equal to 0. S of I plus plus. If it is 0 under 9, we have this one. If it is in A and G, if it is in between small a and small g, minus 97 plus 10, decimal is equal to decimal plus t into power of 17 power length, length minus minus. Correct only. Okay, I will cross check, sir. I will cross check and I will update it. So let me go for Python implementation. In Python also, sir, it is a very easy, sir. 1 minute. Let me see the test cases. Which test case is failing? Because again there may be a chance of getting issue. Let me open that test case. Test case 3 is failing, I think so. So test case 3, 1 minute, sir. I will cross check what is the test case 3 results. LBP number 173, so that we can trace, sir. Test case number 3. Sir, I have given G. I have given G. So for that, the expected answer is 16. Yes, sir, G should work, right? Then why we are not getting? Sir, the input for that they have given G, sir. So why it is not coming capital G? It is reading. Sir, have you observed? What is the mistake? Have you identified? Please confirm, sir. What is the mistake that we have done? Anyone identified? Please confirm. Anyone identified why capital G is not coming? Yes, Pratik. Yeah, sir, here I have not used less than or equal to. That is the problem. Less than or equal to. I didn't included G value. That is the problem why these test cases are failing. Okay. Now you can see all the test cases are going to be passed. Right. So in C language implementation, sir, I have not used less than or equal to. That is the problem. Let us see how to implement this program in Python, sir. In Python, it is very easy. I am going to read the data. Okay, n is equal to, sir, int of input, comma, here itself you can provide 17. That means what? It will read a string from the user and it will convert to the base 17 and the result will be stored in n. Now if you print the value of n, you are going to get your required result. Perfect, sir. And submit the code. So this is nothing but what we have. So hope it is very clear for you people, sir. So please confirm, do you have any doubts in this coding challenge, sir? Please confirm. Yeah, in Python, Java, it is very easy because we have predefined methods are there, but we should learn how to implement in C. So that will give the guidance, right? That's what. Right, sir. Sir, remaining people, please respond so that I will continue. Sir, remaining people, please respond. Right, sir. So let me go for next program. What is this program? 175. Sir, have a look once. Beautify Me. The cosmetic company Beautify Me wishes to know the alphabetic product code from the product barcode. From the product barcode, they need to get alphabetic product code, sir. The barcode of the product is a numeric value and alphabetic product code is starting the values from A to Z. So the alphabetic A to J represents the numeric values from 0 to 9. To produce the alphabetic product code, each digit in the numeric barcode is replaced by corresponding matching letters. So A to J is represented from sir 0 to 9. Suppose if the product code is ABC, in the barcode we have to display 0, 1, 2 like this. That's all. Sir, it is very easy. Just we can subtract its ASCII values or not. S of I minus you can take 97. What is the ASCII value of A? 97. 97 minus 97 will return 0. 98 minus 97 will return 1. 99 minus 97 will return 2. Like this we have to do. So let me go for C language implementation of this program. So how you can able to take here? Just let me take this 174. So I'm taking C language implementation. So let us declare a string first, s of 100 characters, then scanf percentage s comma yes I am taking. So for I is equal to 0, I less than, sorry, you can take s of I plus plus I am taking. Then so printf I am printing percentage d comma s of I minus 97 I am printing. So let us declare that integer variable I. Now I am going to run the program. You can cross check whether it is working or not. Yes, and submit the code. So same code we have to implement even in Java. So let us implement in Java. Let us see how we can implement in Java programming. So I'm taking scanner obj is equal to new scanner of system dot in I'm taking. Then integer, I think we have to take string s is equal to obj dot next line I am taking. Then sir, for each integer I is equal to 0, I less than s dot length I am taking I plus plus. So we have to print system dot out dot print of s dot char at of I minus 97. Like this I am printing. Let us run the code. Is all the characters are extracted or not? Yes. And submit the code for final approval. This is nothing but what we are going to get. So let me implement the same code in Python, sir. So how you can able to implement in Python? So I'm reading the string from the user. So for each character present in string, so we have to print like this. First, we need to find out ordinal value. From that, you have to subtract 97 and make sure that end is equal to empty because we need to print in a single line. Let me run the code. It's perfectly working and submit the code. You can see all the remaining test cases also satisfied. So hope it is very clear for you. Sir, please confirm. Do you have any doubts up to this? Please confirm. Right, sir. So let me go for next program. So LBP number 175. So what is this program? Print prime numbers. Print prime numbers. Implement a program to read a number and print prime numbers up to n separated by commas. I think separated by commas is not there, but let me see the output, sir. Because if you observe some sample test cases, then we will get a clarity. Yeah, separated by spaces. So we know already how to check prime number. Just we have to execute directly, that's all. So here I'm going to take integer I, and then we require a variable called n. So now first we have to read the value of n from the user. Next, for I is equal to starting from 2, I less than or equal to n, I plus plus I am taking. So I'm going to print percentage d followed by is prime of I. So if it is, sorry sir, I think so, we have to write an if condition. If is prime, okay, if is prime of I, if it is a prime number, then we are going to print that number on the screen. If it is not a prime number, we are not printing, but we need to write logic for is a prime number. So it is taking an integer n, and the number of factors is equal to initially 0. Now for I is equal to 1, I less than or equal to n, I plus plus. So we have to divide that number with percentage I. If remainder is 0, f plus plus. So we have to return f is double equal to 2 if it is a prime number, because already we have seen this logic, right? So let me run the code. Is it working or not? Yes, and submit the code. So all the test cases are passed. This is nothing but how we can able to implement the program in C language. So let us implement the code in Java. Let me go for Java implementation, and let us see how we can able to implement this program in Java. So scanner obj is equal to, I am taking new scanner of system.in, and integer n is equal to, I am taking obj dot next int. Then for integer I is equal to 2, I less than or equal to n, I plus plus, you have to check is a prime of I. If it is a prime number, then system dot out dot print of, we have to print that number called I, followed by space we have to provide. Then if e is a prime of, I am taking integer n, so we have to check whether it is a prime or not. So initially factors is equal to 0 and I am taking. So for I is equal to 1, I less than or equal to n, I plus plus. So I am going to check whether the value n percentage I is equal to 0 or not. If yes, factors plus plus, finally we have to return f is double equal to 2. So if really that factors is equal to 2, it is going to return true, sir. Such type of elements we are printing. So you can see both the test cases are passed, and submit the code for final approval. So you can see all the test cases got executed. This is nothing but how we can able to implement in Java. Let me go for Python implementation. I want to implement this program by using Python. Let us see how we can able to implement, sir. Sir, I am taking n is equal to int of input. Then for I in range of starting from 2 to, we have to include the value of n. That means we have to take n plus 1. And I am checking is a prime of I. If it is a prime, then we have to print the value of I, and end is equal to, I am giving space. Then we need to define is a prime function by taking n as a input. So initially factors is equal to 0 for I in range of sir 1 to n plus 1 I am taking. If the value of n percentage I is equal to 0, then f is equal to f plus 1. Finally, we have to return the value of f is equal to 2. That's all. So if it is a prime number, then factors are true. So such a type of cases, it is going to return true. So this is nothing but how you can able to implement in Python. I hope it is very clear for you people. So do you have any doubts up to this? So let me go for next program. What is the next program that we have here is GCD of two numbers. Okay, so we have to write a program to calculate GCD of two numbers. That means, sir, greatest common divisor. Okay, sir, they are going to give divisor. Yeah, they are going to give two numbers like n1 and n2. So we have to find out the maximum divisor, sir. Okay, so let us see how we can able to implement in Java and Python. Sorry, in Java and C language, we have to implement by our own methodology. But in Python, yes, ready-made method is there. Let us see how we can implement. Okay, so let me implement in C language, sir, first. So first we have to declare the required variables n1, n2, n3, and then I. So I am going to read first two numbers, percentage d, comma ampersand n1, comma ampersand n2. Okay. Then, sir, for I is equal to, starting from, we have to divide starting from 1, I less than or equal to n1. At the same time, the value of I less than or equal to n2, and then I plus plus. So if any number divisible by this n1, that means if that I value is divisible by n1, which is resulting 0, at the same time, if n2 percentage I is also 0, then that number will become GCD of these two numbers, sir. This process will be continued until you are getting maximum value. So finally we are going to print that maximum value. Okay, this is nothing but what we have. Let us run the code. Is working properly, and submit the code for final approval. So you can see all the remaining test cases also satisfied. So this is nothing but how we can implement in C language. So let me take the same program in Java. I want to implement the code in Java. So how to implement in Java? Let us have a look once. Sir, I am taking scanner obj is equal to new scanner of I am taking system.in. Then integer n1 is equal to obj dot next int. Then integer n2 is equal to obj dot next int. So integer n3 I am creating, and then I. So for I is equal to 1, I less than or equal to n1. At the same time, I less than or equal to n2. I plus plus I am taking. So you have to check the divisibility, sir. If n1 percentage I is equal to 0, at the same time n2 percentage I is equal to 0, then we are going to print like this. I mean, we are going to check. So n3 will become I, sir. So finally, we need to print the value of n3. System dot out dot println of I am printing n3. So let us run the code. 1 minute. N3 is not initialized. Okay, let us take initial value of N3 as 0. Is perfectly working, and submit the code. So all the test cases are passed. So how to implement in Python? In Python, we have a predefined function is there. So let us see how we can implement in Python. So I am taking n1 comma n2 is equal to, sir, I am taking tuple unpacking int of I. So for each I value in input dot split. So there is one special module is there with the name math, and you can print. Okay, so print of math dot gcd of n1 comma n2. Directly it is going to print gcd, sir. So this is nothing but how we can able to implement in Python. Yes, sir, hope this challenge is clear for you people. So please confirm, do you have any doubts in this challenge? Right. So let me go for the next program. What we have here is LBP number 77, secret information. Okay, sir, have a look once. A spy wants to send some secret information to the government. As the data is very important, he encrypts the message by encoding. That means by adding some extra characters. The original message has only uppercase letters and numbers. So the original message is having only uppercase letters and numbers, while the extra characters are made up of lowercase letters and special characters. Can you help the receiver in designing a program such that it accepts the message and returns that secret information? Nothing but in the given message, we will have lowercase alphabets, uppercase alphabets, so digits and some special characters. So we have to remove which characters. We need to remove the special characters and lowercase characters. We need to get only uppercase characters and special characters. We have to keep as it is, sir. Okay, I mean, sorry, uppercase characters and digits. So except that remaining things we have to remove. So nothing but just we can write a loop. So if that condition satisfied, you can print, otherwise you can skip. So let me take some sample test cases. From that we will get some idea. You can see here welcome is there. So W as it is available, because this E and L, these two are lowercase letters, we are not considering, and one we are considering as it is. C and ash we are not considering because these two are special characters, and O I am taking. M I am skipping because it is a small letter, and E is there as it is. So this is nothing but how we can able to produce the output. Sir, let us see how you can do this. Sir, character S of 100 I am taking. Then to run the loop integer I. Sir, first we have to read the string, right? So I am taking scanf percentage S comma S. For each character I is equal to 0, I less than, sorry, S of I plus plus, every character I am going to fetch. If your character is greater than or equal to capital A, okay, and if your character is less than or equal to capital Z, this is the first case. Or what is the next case? If your characters are greater than or equal to 0, and if your characters are less than or equal to 9, then we are going to print that data. So print of percentage c comma, we have to print s of I. Other than these characters, if you are getting anything, no need to consider. That's all. Yes, all the test cases are satisfied, and let us submit the code. So you can see the remaining test cases also satisfied. So let me go for Java implementation. I want to implement this program in Java. Let us see how we can implement in Java. So I'm taking scanner obj is equal to, so new scanner of within bracket system dot in. Then string s is equal to obj dot next line. Then for each integer I is equal to 0, I less than s dot length I plus plus. So we have to write if condition, if a first condition or second condition. If any one condition is satisfied, we are printing that element. So what is that condition? If s dot char at of I is greater than or is equal to capital A, and s dot char at of I is less than or equal to capital Z, or s dot char at of I is greater than or equal to 0, and s dot char at of I is less than or equal to 9. So if any one condition is satisfied, then we have to print. Otherwise, no need to print. Yes, all the test cases are satisfied. Now let me go for Python implementation. I want to implement this program by using Python. Let us see how we can able to implement. So first we have to read input from the user. Sir, for each I in S. So if the value of I is, we have to check manually, it seems. So if the value of I is greater than or equal to, sir, capital A, okay, and the value of I is less than or equal to, sir, capital Z, or what is another condition? I dot is digit, if it is a digit. So if any one of these conditions satisfied, then you have to consider that character. So print of I end is equal to, I am taking empty, sir. Let me cross check whether it is going to work or not. Is perfect, and submit the code. Yeah. So this is nothing but how we can implement this program. So please confirm, is this Python implementation is clear for you people? Please confirm, sir. Right. So let me go for the next program. What is the next program that we have here is, sir, flight. Have a look once. So Amir is traveling to Mumbai, but this time he is taking a flight. Sir, his brother has already told him about the luggage weight limits, but he forgot it. Now he is taking with him how many trolley bags? 3 trolley bags. Okay. As per the current airlines which Amir will fly, the below has nothing but weight limits, sir. There can be maximum 2 check-in and 1 cabin luggage. 2 check-in and then 1 cabin luggage. Okay, sir, check-in has a total limit of L1 and cabin has the limit of L2. The total weight, so that they are going to allow is nothing but L1 plus L2. But the Amir having the weights with 3 trolley bags. So now Amir has three luggages and has weights as a W1, W2, W3 respectively. Now he should be smart enough to make sure that he can travel with all these three luggage bags without paying extra charge. So nothing is there here. Find out whether Amir can take all his luggage without any extra charges or not. If all good and no extra charges are paid, we have to print yes. Otherwise we have to print no. Seems to be a big program, but nothing is there here. So what is the logic behind this? Amir has three luggages, W1 plus W2 plus W3. W1 is nothing but first trolley bag luggage, W2 is nothing but second bag luggage, W3 is nothing but third bag luggage. It should be less than or equal to the luggage which was provided by that airlines, L1 plus L2. Sir, if all these sum of weights are less than or equal to these two, then yes, Amir can take directly. So if it is not, then he need to pay the extra fees, sir. Beyond that, nothing is there. So it is a very simple. Let me go for C language implementation and let us see the test cases what they have provided. Yes, first three are nothing but W1, W2, W3. Next two are nothing but L1 and then L2. Like this we have to do. Let us implement the program. So we have to read inputs like this: W1, W2, so W3, and then L1, so comma L2. Okay, let us read the data. I am taking scanf, sir, percentage D, percentage D, percentage D. So 5% Ds. I am reading W1 and W2 and then W3 and then L1 and then L2. Like this I am taking. Sir, now we are going to check. Sir, if W1 plus W2 plus W3, okay, is less than or equal to L1 plus L2, then you can print the message saying yes. Otherwise, you have to print the message saying no, sir. Beyond that, nothing is there. Let us run the code. Yes, perfectly working, and submit the code. So this is nothing but what we have. Now I want to go for Java implementation. Let us see how we can able to implement this program in Java. So first we have to take scanner obj is equal to new scanner of system.in, then integer w1 is equal to obj.nextInt. So w2 is equal to obj.nextInt. Okay, next and after that w3 is equal to obj.nextInt. Similarly, weights L1 is equal to, sir, obj.nextInt. L2 is equal to obj.nextInt. So like this, I accepted all the weights, sir. So if W1 plus W2 plus W3 is less than or equal to L1 plus L2, then directly you can display the message saying yes. So otherwise, system.out.println of I am printing the message saying no. So let me run the code. Is working properly, and submit the code. So all the test cases are satisfied. So let me go with the Python implementation. I want to solve this program by using Python. Let us see how we can able to implement in Python, sir. So W1, W2, W3, L1, L2 is equal to int of I for each I value in input dot split. Then, sir, I need to print the message called yes when if W1 plus W2 plus W3 is less than or equal to L1 plus L2. Otherwise, we have to print the message saying no. Let me run the code. It's perfectly working and submit the code for final approval. You can see all the remaining test cases also satisfied. This is the way how you can implement in Python. So please confirm, do you have any doubts up to this? Clear? Right, sir. So remaining things we will continue tomorrow, sir. Okay. Remaining things we will continue tomorrow. Okay. Yeah, tomorrow we will meet for the continuation. Same timings, sir, 6 o'clock. Yeah, thank you.